What's up, Andrew here. I saw on my last video that some of you had problems with packaging the app, that you saw nothing when you packaged it. So it's pretty easy fix, and I'm gonna show you what you probably can see, and it's this, like complete white, nothing in here. So how to fix it? First, you are gonna delete this folder. It's pretty big folder, and I can delete it, never mind. So let's fix this thing, and you are gonna add this line here in vid.config.ts, which will fix one thing, and I'm gonna show you what thing. The thing is that here is just slash, and you need also dot here to actually link these files into the index. So this is gonna fix it. So after you add this line, you can just normally build it again. Okay, so the objects have built, and as you can see here, the dots are here as we wanted to. And now when you go back to the folder where the build app is, you can open it and you should probably see something after it loads. Yes, except this Vid logo, because there is issue that this logo isn't in the assets folder. So yeah, that's basically all, and it's pretty easy fix.